Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel TechQuest, and I'm back with a new video on how you can add or link your debit card to your Coinbase account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure. Make sure to watch this video till the end. First thing first, you have to log in into your Coinbase account, so then type in www.coinbase.com. You can also find the link on my description box below. So once you're logged into your Coinbase account, you'll be directed to the home page, and on the home page you have to tap on the profile icon located in the top right corner of your screen. And once you do that, there's a drop down menu, so from there you have to tap on settings, and next page you'll be directed to the settings page, and you can see right on top you have a list of options. So right on this page you have to tap on payment method, which is right in between, and as you tap on payment method, next interface will be able to see all the payment method that is linked to your Coinbase account. So in order to add a debit card, you have to tap on add a payment method in the top right corner. So once you tap on it, a pop-up will appear, so from there you have to select the payment method that you want to add. So you can see there are a list of options, so you can either add your bank account, then PayPal, or the debit card and wireless transfer. Since our video is based on how to add or link debit card, you have to tap on debit card, and as you do that, once again there's a pop-up. So right on this page you have to enter the information that is associated with the debit card. So first of all you have to enter the address line that is associated with your debit card, and after that you have to enter the billing address, and then on the second step you have to enter the card number along with your CVV and then your social security number. So once you're done entering all of the information, tap on link card, and after that you should have successfully linked your debit card to your Coinbase account. So that is all for this video. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.